they need 3/4. How can I make the 3/4? I need 2 pieces of 2/8, and that's 3/4. Hello everyone, and welcome to our first video from Math Games, where we use different simulations and games for math and have fun together while learning. Let's start our first video with fractions. In the intro in this section, you can explore different fractions at different shapes. For example, if you have a cake and you make the denominator, let's say 3, it divides this into 3, but you don't have anything because of this 0. So if you add 1, this is 1 out of 3. So this is how much pieces you have out of how many. So 2/3, 3/3, and so on. You can also see it in different shapes from here, and you can also see it in the number line. This is 0 and 1 because fractions always between 0 and 1, and this is 2/3. You could also allow it to be more than 1, and let's say you have 8/3, which is 2 and 2/3, and also you can see it. You can drag with your mouse and put pieces in different places and then count them and see how it looks like. But this is not what I'm gonna focus on today. I will be focusing on the games section. Let's play these games together. Level 1, I need to make this fraction 1/2, so I'm gonna divide this to 2, drag the half, put it there. Good job. What about 3/3? I need to divide this into 3 pieces. I could use the thirds, or I could say 3/3 is the same as 1 whole. Worked. 2/3, 1, 2. Good job. Level 2. 1/2 is like this. What about 2/3? You need to divide it to thirds first. This is quarters, so I'm gonna pick from here 1, 2/3. What about 1/2? This is 1/2. Well done. What about level 3? 2/3 go like this. 3/3 again is the same as 1 whole. I'm gonna use 1 whole for that. And 2/2 is also the same as 1 whole. Next, level 4. Every time it's gonna get a bit trickier. 1/2, 1/2, 1/2. So the first one, I'm gonna use this half. This is easy. In the next one, they need me to make 1/2, but I'm running out of halves. But I could use 2/4, which is the same as 1/2. So this is helping you understanding equivalent fractions. What about this half? Should I use the quarters? But I have only 1/4 left. What I could do this time, I could use 1/3 and 1/6 to make 1/2. Level 5. I need 5/7. How can I do this? I need to divide it to 7 pieces. 1, 2, 3. This is 6, 7. And I think this is the one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/7. 3/4. Easy. 1, 2, 3/4. What about 1 whole? You don't need to divide anything. You're gonna keep it the same. This is 1/1, which is 1 whole. Level 6, we have 10 levels in total. They need me to make 5/8. I think these are the pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8. 1/4, how could we do that? Let's make quarters, and I have it here ready. Easy. 1/2 could be made with 2/4. 1, 2/4 is the same as 1/2. Now, for the last one, I'm gonna use 1, 2/4. They need 3/4. How can I make the 3/4? I need 2 pieces of 2/8, and that's 3/4. Level 7, 2/3. How can I make that? Divide to thirds first. Where are the thirds? I don't have any thirds. Which one should I choose? I think 1/6. 2/6 is 1/3, so 4/6 will give me 2/3. Again 2/3. But this time, I only have 1/6 left. So how could we do this? Now, let's make 1/4 and then 1/8 and another 1/8. That's half. And half also is matching 3/6. And remember this, 4 over 6 is 2/3. So if half is matching 3/3, all what I need is 1 over 6 to make 2/3. Good job. You see it's getting trickier. Here I need 5 over 8, so I can use 2 quarters, which is the same as 4 over 8, and then one more from here. And in the last one, mostly I will use everything. So if I need to make over 8, 1 quarter is 2 over 8, 3 over 8, 4, and 5/8. Good job. 3 to go. How can I make 2/5? So I need to divide 2/5, and 1, 2, done. 3 over 2. Now here it's more than a whole, 3 halves. So what you could do is you can add a new circle, divide it to halves, and then 2 halves will make 1 whole, and then 1 half. So 1, 2, 3 over 2, which is the same as 1 and 1 half. What about 2/3? Let's divide this to thirds and bring them from here. Good job. 7 over 4. How can I do this? I need 2 because 4 over 4 is 1 whole, and I will need 3 more quarters. So I'm going to divide all of them to quarters. 4 quarters is 1 whole, 3 quarters more. So that's 1, 2, 3. And if you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 over 4 in each whole. So 7 quarters. Level 9. How can I make 3 halves? Again, we did this one before. 1, 2, 3. 1.5. What about 4 over 2? This is just a 2. If I have 4 halves, it's just 2 wholes. So maybe I could use this. 1, 2, 3. But I need to use them here. I need 3 over 5 here. So, and I need it here too. So I'm gonna put all of them back again. I'm gonna use the thirds to make 1 whole, and then I'm gonna use the other halves to make the other whole, and I got 4 over 2. What about 4/5? You make the 5th. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 over 5. And the last one, 3 over 5 is all what's left. And finally, level 10. Last level from this track. How can I make 8 over 5? I need 2 first because it passed 5 over 5. So I'm going to divide it to 5th. So 1 and 3 over 5 will give me 8 over 5. So where is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But that's not enough to complete everything. So I'm going to put the 5th back. I'm going to use something else for the 1 whole. Maybe I could use quarters. Quarters make 1 whole, which covers 5 over 5. So how many left? 3 more. 1, 2, 3. And by the way, you don't have to put everyone one by one. You can make all of them at the same time if you want. So I'm just gonna put this here because I need exactly the same thing, 8 over 5 again. So how can I make that? Again, make the same divisions. And again, I'm gonna use the quarters to make the whole. Once I'm done from the quarters, I will use the 3/5 to make in total 8 over 5. So I'm done from these two. These are also the same. We have 5/3 twice. Each is divided to thirds. So first of all, maybe I can use this half with these pieces. I think these are over 8, so I need 4 of them to complete the other half. So this is 1 whole. How many thirds left? 3/3 make 1 whole, so I need 2/3. This is 1/3, and 2 over 6 get me the second third, so in total I have 5/3. Good job. What about this one? All what I need is putting everything that's left. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is 1/2. Now from the 6th, I will take 1, 2, it doesn't matter, 2, 3. That's the other half. And then I need 1/3 here and another third. This is 3/3, 2/3, 5/3. Level 10 is done. Good job. We're just half the way because we completed all these levels from the top track. What about the bottom one? Let's start from level 1. Again, it's gonna start simple, but this time it's the opposite. They give us the shape. They want me to build the fraction. So this is 1 over 2. 1, 2, 3. How many pieces in total is the bottom one? How many colored? 1, 2 is the top one. 2/3. This is 1/3. Good job. What about this? Again, this is 1/2. Well done. 1/4 or 1/4. 2/5. Good job. Here, all of them are over 6. In the first one, we have, let me put all of them first. Over 6, over 6, over 6. The first one is 2/6. The next one is 1/6. And the last one is 1/2 or 3/6. And that's it. Level 4. If you think you can do these levels faster than me, check the link in the description and practice as you want. 1/1, which is 1 whole, is the first one. This is 1/4. What about this? This is all what's left, and it's obviously 8/9, and if you want you can count them. 8 colored out of 9 in total. Level 5, here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 out of 7. That's the first one. The next one is 3/6, which is the same as 1/2. Why I'm mentioning the same as? Because in future levels, maybe you don't have all the numbers, so you should know it's 1/2, and you could make it with that. And the last one is 2/3. Good job. Next. Here I need 4/6, very clear, very easy, very simple. The next one is 1 whole or 2 halves, but I don't have 2 twice. I don't have 4 twice. I have the 6 twice, so I can use 6/6 to make this 1 whole. What about this? This is clearly 2 over something. If you count them, you will find 2/7. And the last one is 4/6. Good job. Level 7, the first one is 1/3. Oh, this is where it gets tricky. This is 1/3, but I don't have number 1. But you know equivalent fractions. Think about making a line here. So that's 2/6. This is also 2/6, but guess what? There is no 2 now. Can you make it with something else? Yes, it's also 3/9. Good job. What about this? 1, 2, 3 out of 4. That's easy, 3/4. And the last one is also 3/4, but it's exactly the same as if you use 6/8. 3 more levels to go. Level 8. Here I have 2 wholes. How can I make that? 6/3, because 6/3 is 2. What about this one? This is 1 whole. We can use 3/3. This is a half, or it's also 3/6. And the last one is 6/6, which is also 1 whole. 2 more levels. Level 9. The first one is 1 whole and 3/4. Or we can say 7/4. What about the second one? The second one is 1 whole and 2/6. If you count them, these are 8/6. Luckily I have both numbers, so 8/6. This is 2 whole, so I could use 18/9. What about this? This is 1 whole and 1/4, or 5/4. Last level, level 10. Let's see how fast I can do this. This is 1/2, so 1/2. The next one is 2 wholes, and the next one is also 2 wholes. So I can say this is 18/9, and this one is 16/8, which is the same, it's just 2. The last one is 6/6. Good job! We completed all levels from both tracks. See up to what level you feel comfortable. Practice for more. Until I see you in the next video from Math Games. See you soon. Pandabood.